This is a ledge that never been skated.
Wow.
That's how beautiful. Easy money.
JD, you're gonna be hyped on this.
How's it going, ladies and gentlemen? We're here for another episode of Skate Anything, the series that we skate literally anything you can think of. If you can think of it, we've probably done it already. So here we are. But we actually have something today, believe it or not, that I've never seen before. This is a completely new skateboarding invention, and I think it bodes well for the future of skateboarding, because if you can invent something like this, then the possibilities are endless, I think. So we're gonna get this open. JD, this is a little gift to you. As soon as I saw this on the internet, I reached out to good old Aaron Cairo, and I said, please, please get us one of these.
It's wood, so I'm guessing it's for bikes. What even is this?
You're telling me you have not seen this yet?
No. Oh, it's like a puzzle. You think this is really gonna work? Oh, it's Keen.
Yeah! This right here is Keen Ramp's newest creation, and shout out to Keen Ramps for sending us this incredible contraption. But I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of info on this. This right here is Keen Ramp's Puzzle Wedge. Introducing our newest and lowest price point obstacle to date, the Puzzle Wedge, designed to withstand the abuse from being constantly skated, but at half the cost. This obstacle is a new staple in your rotation for when you're on the go and on a budget. It's super lightweight, extremely portable, making it the perfect obstacle to bring on any street session. So this right here is a nice puzzle wedge. Looks just like this when it's all built.
Oh,
Yeah.
I've never seen this.
So you've not seen this,
gonna
okay.
lie.
So this might be breaking news for a lot of people. So if you guys want to get your hands on this, keenramps.com. Like I said, thanks for sending us this, but I'm really excited to see how this works, man. And look at, they even did us the service of sending the metal plate that goes on the bottom, like it's all just one beautiful piece.
I want to try to put this together by myself.
Okay.
See how it goes.
I'm just gonna open this up for you, but this is like the ultimate focus test. If you can figure it out with no instruction on your own, then Keen Ramps, you guys really did something. This right here is Keen Ramps' newest creation.
It's the cheapest thing out there selling right now.
Shout out Keen Ramp.
So this is their puzzle wedge. It's portable and it builds together into a wedge ramp like a puzzle. I think we might need a drill. Man, this is a sick sticker.
All right, let's try this.
Can JD build this on his own with no help?
I don't think I can, but I'll try. Maybe I should put this part on first.
It looks like maybe laser cut.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
Come on, JD, bro.
Come on.
Bruh. Oh, but if I just put it like this, it's gonna be like a ledge, right? Ow, that hurt. Okay, maybe I don't got this.
Come on, bro.
JD, you have to always believe in yourself.
Oh, I know. Bro, we're doing it wrong. Flip it over.
We should have watched the YouTube video on how to do it.
Yeah, I like that it's called puzzle because it literally is like putting together a puzzle.
It's like not in all the way, but it is almost.
Come on, geniuses. We need some help.
I mean, hey, JD said he wanted to do it on his own, so I'm just, you know.
Still not in there. There we go. We need a mallet. We got a mallet?
Yeah.
I got a hammer over there.
No, we need a mallet. We can't use a hammer, brother. We need a mallet.
I think we take this off. Why is it so hard to put together? It's like so tight. Oh, we flip it.
I was never good at puzzles.
No, but then if we flip it, then that's gonna be.
Gabe, this is when we need the genius build to come in.
Yeah, come on, Gabe. You need to help us now. I don't care.
I'm not fitting.
Oh, that's, this is the bottom, so if it locks in, it has to be like this way. You just gotta get in. Ah! If we can get a mallet, we can fit it in there, but here, let me get this side. I mean, honestly, it's not that difficult. We just gotta line it up right.
Too perfect, Gabe.
It is a pretty cool launch pad.
It does look pretty sick. Trying to do jingle bells? I was about to say.
I'm glad someone understands my talent and affinity for Christmas. All right, well, I mean, we're pretty much there. We just gotta hammer it in now. I'm trying to think of a mallet pun, but I just can't hammer one home. Come on, Derek, that was good.
I don't know.
You're hating on me, bro. I think I nailed it. No mallet? One thing about Gabe Crew's videos that he thinks are gonna be nice, smooth, and easy. They're never nice, smooth, and easy. Here, let's get the sides in. Turn it this way. sorry, headphone users.
Damn!
Keen ramps, we apologize. We do not have a mallet. If we did, we would do it the right way. I need a drill.
I can drill. I'm good at drilling.
That's in there. That's how we do it.
Really?
That's good enough.
Well, it looks like we're solid.
Hold on. Final.
Well, here it is. The Keen Ramps Puzzle Wedge is all done. It's light enough for even Jay Dizzle to carry around.
JD's been working out.
And we're gonna go ahead
I've been working out.
and we're gonna shred this thing.
Personally, this looks fun for
What?
The slap pad? I need that. I need the slap
Keen Ramps,
pad.
if you can send us a slap pad for Glow,
Make my holiday.
just write to Glow on there. It would make his year. 2024 will be the greatest year. But seriously, Keen Ramps, thanks for sending us this awesome puzzle wedge. We're really excited to check it out. And if you want to check one out for yourself, links in that description below. All right, Jay Dizzle, the ramp is all yours.
It's pretty small, which is good. Like they said, I guess you can put it in your car. But we'll see how it actually feels when we ride it. Oh, first jump right here. Feels solid, not sketch. Damn! Missed the pop. It's feeling nice. Doesn't feel sketchy or anything.
Oh!
Ah! Bruh! Hey! There we go.
Woo!
This ramp is feeling pretty fire. Almost there. It's kicking though.
All right, I'm gonna land it right here.
Oh, I got an next try. Ah! Almost there, next try.
Oh!
Ah!
Oh!
So close. You gotta be kidding me. Ah! It's feeling nice. It's definitely kicking you what you would like to.
But what's the kick?
It's kicking how it's supposed to. This would be fun in my front, driveway. Just try tricks off of it. Tray double flip, laser flip. Oh, might be able to learn how to laser flip with this. I'm not gonna try in this video, but maybe, just maybe, I'll try it on this ramp, just by myself. Well, let's get a triple flip. 3.5, it's better than 2.5. Goku! What is Goku doing? Goku attacked my board. No! Next try, I'm calling it.
Hey, hold up!
Cord!
The door! Freaking door!
The door!
That was absolutely absurd.
Thank you. Well, let's move this thing around, because it is supposed to be movable. And it is. Look at that. 3-stair. First of 3. I have one more idea before we go on.
What the?
Nah, not that far.
Not that far.
I got the perfect setup. Hold on. Check it out, check it out. This is a ledge that had never been skated.
Oh. Oh.
Okay.
Crook to Manny, JD.
Oh yeah, this is sick. Oh!
Oh.
Woo!
That felt beautiful.
Oh! Oh!
Yeah!
Oh!
Jeez, that was almost deadly, dude. That hurt. Now I'm just thinking of this as like how we did with the blunt steel. I think I'm gonna try to do some stuff a little bit different. So let's take this over.
I gotta head out.
That's pretty far.
Oh!
Wait, hold up.
So glad I took half a step back.
I'm starting to like this thing a little more.
Hold on.
Oh! Oh my God!
That almost cost me my
Dude,
life.
you were going right at that thing.
That's what I was thinking, dude.
Okay, yeah, this is cool. Yes, sir.
Ah! Oh, I missed it.
Missed the ramp.
Woo! No problem, no problem.
Oh my.
Oh.
Woo! Honestly, I think even if you roll off, you'll land here. So just a tiny pop.
If I clip and I get bodied right now, just know I love you guys.
Oh! What?
Dude, I forgot you were regular.
I think board slide's less scary. That's why I wanted to do board slide.
That was full sender right there.
That was definitely full sender.
There we go. Yeah, back to back.
Let's go!
I'm starting to like this thing more and more.
Me and Jay Dizzler taking over the world.
At the beginning, I was really skeptical. I was like, oh, it's not really working out. And then now, I love this thing. I might have to steal it, Gabe. I might have
Some
to.
cool obstacles, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, I know.
If you send it down the 5-stair and the 3 block, you could have it.
Easy money. I like how easy it is to carry too. You can carry it any way and it's not hard.
That's actually insane.
Yeah, that's deadly. That slow, huh?
Damn.
Is that late shot?
Yeah. I like drops. I can't fall, but I like to skate drops for some reason. I can't go too hard though. You know what I'm saying? Next try. You know, my favorite things are little portable ramps and little portable rails. Those are my favorite. You can just go forever and do whatever you want. You should get some more of these type things because I love these. These are my favorite.
Will do, good sir, will do.
Oh, I hot-pocketed my foot so bad. I'm good though. Now, final thing is the beautiful 3 block.
Remember in the very first Avengers movie when Loki's talking to Tony Stark at the end of the movie? And Loki's like, I have an army. Tony Stark's like, we have a Hulk. We have a freaking JD.
I'm not gonna lie, the 3 block's absolutely absurd.
Ready, Gabe?
Yes, sir.
Wheel bite. I love these things. I can't say it enough. Ah! I just found a lucky quarter right here. It says crossing the Delaware, and it says 2021.
Wow.
And it's a D. You know, I used to like coins. I had like 3 wheat pennies at home. I thought those were rare, but they're not that rare. Sad. All right, let's go. This is for the lucky quarter. Lucky quarter. Come on, lucky quarter. Give it to me, lucky quarter. Same thing.
That is 100% officially JD's ramp.
I love this ramp.
I don't know what was better, the Pro 180 or
You
the
can have
Red
it, good sir.
Yeah!
It's all yours.
I'm gonna try a bunch of stuff when I get home. Maybe I'll post some videos on Instagram. You guys might see that.
Give me
We'll
your
see.
rating, good sir.
You know, at the beginning, I was thinking, no offense to Keen ramps, but the way it looked, I was like, it's a solid 4. Now I start to ride it on flat, I was like, okay, that's pretty good. Went up to 6. Putting on obstacles, 9 out of 10.
Wow.
No.
That's a wedge.
I like how you can put in your car easy. The only thing is, took a little bit longer than it should have to put together because we did not have a rubber mallet. If we had a rubber mallet, then this thing would be so much easier to put together. Even without a rubber mallet, we got it done, and it's a 9 out of 10.
This ramp, solid 8.7 out of 10.
Wow.
I'm not gonna lie, because I thought the obstacles, it was gonna be shaky and stuff, but it actually turned out to be so fun, and it's actually way stronger than it looks. I thought it was like one of those paper airplanes you get in the bag and you put it together and it, but not this, because Keen is the way. We hope to see you soon, Keen Ramps. Bang!
Couldn't have said it better myself. Thanks to Keen Ramps for sending us this awesome ramp. If you want to get your own, link in the description below. And we'll see you in the next video. We post every single day, 10 a.m. Pacific. We'll see you then.